What is up, everybody? Hayden West with another YouTube video. You probably know what I'm doing because of the title, Farm Tour Part 2. Yeah, so this is, there's some that I didn't show you. There's this field that we got right here behind our shop. We got right there, if this like, stupid thing will focus. Got our fertilizer cart. Right there we have our feeders. I've been living on a farm my whole life. Sometimes I still forget the name of them things. I got wagons, antique equipment back there, an old junk combine, cultivator, disc, some more classic-y stuff over there, wood trailers, hay and roller, and hay trailer right here. If you guys noticed, well, the bulls, there's only 2 in there now. Actually, we're going to try to take them out in the fields to get, but for some reason they ain't wanting to leave. And guys, tell me, like, let me know in the comments if you, let me know in the comments if you want to see me do something else, if you're not really interested in the farm tour. But if you are, just comment, keep doing the farm tours and stuff. I will gladly do it. We got a pretty good sized farm, so right now I'm walking over to the bottle calves. I don't know if you noticed my first video of the farm tour. There was 2 bottle calves. Well, we've got one that's about dead. Then we got a very freaking cute one in the old dog kennel. But yeah, still, I don't want to make this boring for anybody. I know some people probably don't like this. Just let me know. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. I can't do better if you guys don't tell me that I need to. It's not gonna hurt me because I've been through a lot, guys, and I think I kind of know it's not gonna hurt my feelings. Anyway, the calf is inside that dog kennel right there by the barn. There's other parts to the farm. I do have, you can call it a sort of a track, a mudding track that I ride my 4-wheeler on. Spilled oil there. Anyway, freaking bees are thick. Jeez. You okay? Hey, dumb nut. You're not dead. I saw you blink your eye. You're not dead. Here. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Yeah, he's not dead, guys. Just tired. But yeah, this guy is really adorable. Probably the most adorable calf we've had for a long time. Geez, them flies, I don't know. You guys probably can't hear it, but them flies are buzzing like crazy. I think, last video you guys didn't get to see my dog, did you? Well, here he is, Copper. Say hi. Say hi. He's a good dog. Been ran over about 5 times and he's still alive. He's also even older than me, and he's still alive. So, and that's not in dog years either. Let me think of what else there is to show you guys. You guys didn't see. I mean, there's our furnace that I keep wood in. Put wood in to heat our house in the winter. We have added quite a bit more hay to the hay pile. Hey guys, I just want to tell you, let's all hit that like button in 3, 2, 1. I hope you smash that like button right now. Thank you for everybody who did. Thanking guys. If there's anything I haven't showed you guys. Well, I guess I could show you. I wonder. You guys didn't see no cows, I don't think, on my other farm tour video. So, let's go ahead and show you some cows if they're up here. It's a loud truck going by. Anyway, you might recognize this truck here. It's my baby. Yes, got done hauling some bulls. Here's the grain bins. Here's our biggest one. Those three are just for, that one there's got beans in it. That one there's got more beans in it. That one there's got corn in it. This one's got corn in it. So, actually overall we have more corn because this thing's huge. Hey, there's some cows. Alright. Okay, let's see if this thing will focus. Hey guys! It's eating their grass. Got a butcher calf over there too. And let me just tell you guys, mowing back behind these grain bins actually suck. I remember I was mowing with our little Husqvarna. I can't remember. There's a cord. It was this. I actually, I didn't know it was there, and I ran it over. Oh, and there's more cows and bulls back there. I don't know if you can see them. Back there. Guys, if there's no bees, I would show you inside the hog house. Let me know in the comments if during the winter you want me to show you inside that building. It's pretty cool. We still got all the hog cages, and just tell you there's quite a bit of mice in there too. So, and I guess I didn't let you guys get a good look at the stock trailer, did I? Well, we haul our cows and bulls and calves and everything in. Heck, sometimes you can even take a four-wheeler in there, use it for a four-wheeler trailer. Well, here it is. It's not much. You got a spare tire up there. It's rusting out pretty well, but we might let it retire, you know, because it's starting to get to the point where we're starting to get worried if we load them up. The cows are going to fall through. Let's see, what's today? Today, I don't know. Let me think here. If there is anything, I mean, if you guys see anything in the comments that you want me to explain, just tell me. I can make another video of just explaining things. The next video I'm probably gonna make, I won't tell you, it'll be a surprise. It's not much. This video might be a little bit short because, I mean, this is just the farm around our house. if we want to get to the rest of our farm, we got to drive there. So I honestly don't want to. And this keeps us safe. Anytime a car goes by, there's an alarm in the house. But that was annoying. Yeah, my grandpa and his girlfriend is in the house. I guess he's his fiance because they already proposed, but yeah, if you guys ever see anything, he's a friendly guy. These trees here, geez, so much traffic. These trees here, let's see up here. These are actually pine trees. You see, I live in Iowa. You know, pine trees don't actually grow. All of these trees here are from Colorado, and I think some are from Yellowstone. Rocky Mountain National Park. We go on vacations. We try to every year, big vacations. One of these days when we go on vacation, I'll probably make a YouTube video of me going on vacation, you know. But yeah, these are pure pines. These are not cedar trees, and here's proof. Cedar trees, you know how they have those, their leaves are a lot different. Cedar trees' leaves are a lot more pokey. These are more puffy and bigger. And they also smell more like pine, but I guess you guys can't do that. And also, cedar trees don't really do that. Yeah, there's proof that these are pines. We hate cedar trees. They may be kind of, I don't know, they may look kind of good, but they will take over if you plant one. This one here is kind of dying. If you can't tell, let's see here. There, see, this here's dying, but if you keep going up there's alive. Let's see. And also, I wonder if I can get a good look at it. There is a barn. I don't know if you guys probably would have saw it in my last video, just a little clip. I haven't really talked about it. One of these days, you know, I might go over and just explore the buildings, probably in the winter time because the bees aren't out and the bulls are kind of stuck inside their little corral. But I wonder if I can see it if I climb up on this thing. Ugh. Can you guys see it? No, I don't think you guys can. If you guys can, tell me. But, I mean, I don't know if you guys want to see it, but, I mean, it's not much. I'll go ahead and tell you the story about it. It belonged to a guy, his last name was, Bob Bergman. He died, and then his kids took over. That was that land he used to belong to, but then we bought it off of his kids. You guys can see it now, kind of. This camera has a horrible time focusing. There. Can you guys see it? Behind that tree, kind of, maybe you can see it. The tree's kind of in the road. Looks like that rose is really starting to bloom. I mean, I don't know. Let's just go say hi to the other bottle kids real quick. I mean, actually, this video might end up being longer than the other videos I had. I don't know why. This one here, we are at about 14 minutes. So, I think the other one was like 11 minutes, wasn't it? I don't know. Here's the other little stupid heads that I showed you in the last video. Remember the other one that doesn't want to suck the bottle, and then you got the smart one. Well, he's dumb, but he's smart. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's mad at me because he's weaned off a bottle. He doesn't have a bottle no more. He's outgrown it. Pretty mad at me, ain't you? Yeah, don't you put your butt in my face. No. Oh, there's a dumb one. No, you don't put your butt in my face. No. No. Oh, you're just going to walk away from me. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to stop showing you my videos. How do you like about that? You don't care. All right. Here's a little turtlet again. Still looks like he's trying to sleep. Yeah, I'm not going to show that in my video, because that's a dead calf. Looks like he just died. So sad. Here's I believe, if I remember right, my grandpa or my dad shot that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed it, smack that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Let's just see how many likes we can get. The sky's the limit. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay awesome.